Open your search bar, type here CMD, then open command prompt. In command prompt, type the following command exactly as shown. This command asks Windows to tell us two things. One is maximum capacity, the maximum RAM your motherboard can support. Second is memory devices, the number of RAM slots on your motherboard. All you have to need, copy, enter this command, go back to your command prompt, write the command and hit enter. And then you will see something like this. Maximum capacity is in kilobytes KB, and memory devices tells us there are 4 RAM slots on this laptop or PC. And now we need to convert KB to GB. All you have to need, copy this max capacity value. So select this value and press Ctrl C to copy. Now on your computer, open the calculator app and here paste the max capacity value and divide it by 1024. And then again we have to divide this value. So divide it by again 1024. And then here you get your computer maximum RAM capacity. So my computer maximum RAM capacity is 128 GB.